Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Netflix black screen on Android. Let's get started. First, restart your phone. Sometimes temporary bugs cause the app to freeze or go black. After restarting, open Netflix again and check it works. Then, if not, move on to the next step. Next is go to settings, then scroll down and look for apps, then click app management, then search for Netflix. If the issue continues, tap clear storage or clear data. This will sign you out but often fixes the problem. Now open Netflix and log in again. If it's still black screen, make sure your Netflix app and Android system are up to date. Go to Google Play Store and search for Netflix and tap update if available. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.